Hi, hello. Gusto ko lang this is my third vlog. I just want to make this quick and easy. This is my topic. This is about the Miss Perfect, or not Miss Perfect, but the topic of hard work. I've found, nakita ko sa mga nakaraang mga buwan na merong specific na golden medium kung saan ang pagsusunog ng kilay, or like pagwo-work hard ay may limit. Hindi porket nag-work hard ka ng marami is mas marami kang results. Sometimes it's actually the opposite, in which ito ang clear and glaring sign na mas nakaka-harm yung productivity mo kaysa nakaka-benefit sa'yo. Kapag naapektuhan na yung health mo to a point in which it literally deteriorates your health, like it's not just like a one day lagnat or like sick sinat, but it literally takes your soul and energy, and still whatsoever no results and no actual statistic data. Medyo hindi na maganda yun. Okay? And sa tingin ko, kapag kukuha ka ng passion mo and you want to be great at that, this is just my thoughts, you need to be natural, not necessarily naturally good. There's no such thing as naturally good in the mass media, kasi for us common people, we're stuck with the common body, and it's not necessarily bad, it's actually good, because if you're normal, you could be a normal human being. You're not like Einstein, who's too smart, or like people who have like disgustingly, or not necessarily disgustingly, but very weird and very unique facial features that either make them extremely attractive or extremely weird. So I think that normal people are good. I don't know, I'm getting lost on the topic. Basta, remember, when it comes to hard work, you need to choose what is the most easiest, what has the most return on investment. So like, what is the most valuable thing that I could work hard on, like it's very easy to do, and although it really requires consistency and it requires a lot of second nature, I need to like memorize it, I need to ingrain it to the memory in order to be great. It's so easy that I can probably be great. It's so accessible to me that I can do it every time, and there's proven statistics that it could actually bring you success. I think that go for that. So bukas wala naman akong gagawin kung hindi mag-review sa math. Kailangan ko mag-review sa math, or gusto ko mag-review sa math kasi medyo interesting yung permutation. Tsaka bukas may pasok, pupunta ulit ako doon kay nanay para celebrate yung birthday niya. Although wala pa akong birthday handa. Tingnan ko kung meron ako. Kung wala, di wag na muna. So tingnan natin kung meron, tingnan natin kung wala. Tapos iasa ko sa inyo Miss Perfect. Siguro alis muna ako sa tanghalang may Kellyan. Siguro alternate days para ma-work on ko yung may Kellyan Collective ngayon, kasi gusto ko mag-script reading sa Friday. Okay? Pagdating naman dito, gusto ko din improve yung or start yung YouTube ko. So thank you, that's all.